All right, y'all, we coming in today. Gonna tear down the trim. So these heaters gotta come out. We're gonna take them out. They're electric. I don't even think they still work. You got one behind them. Got one back here. One thing down in the bathroom. No, but that vanity gotta come out. Toilet, tub, doors coming down. All this stuff in here gotta come out. All of it. Everything in here coming out. This ceiling's still good. I cleaned it off the other day. Got a lot of the spider webs down. Then over here, you can see, gotta do the same thing in here. This camera make it look lighter in here, which is really nice. All the windows gotta come out. All this furniture gotta come out. There go another heater on the wall. Doors coming out, trim coming out, everything. So we'll see how far we get today. But our main focus today is to get this room cleaned out. And once we do that, we're gonna come back and take all the trim and stuff out. I'll probably strip this whole bathroom out, take everything out of here. We had a spot up here that had mold, but I sprayed it, now the mold gone. It hasn't come back yet. But I can tell they were smokers. See how yellow the ceiling is, all the stains and stuff. So we finna get to it. I'm gonna get back with y'all. What up, guys? I'm back. So y'all can see we got this room pretty much cleaned out. This is the room I just showed y'all out. So now we finna get these dressers out here. I gotta take them boards down. There's some glosses over here. We got this room pretty much cleaned out and everything. Get this little furniture out of here, the trailer full, but we gonna get it out. Just took the nails out this wall, throw some wallpaper down. I'm finna jump over here and do the same thing, take nails out the wall. I'm back. Got to show y'all all progress we made today. Like I said, we got all them clothes out. We went on ahead and tore the door frames and everything out. So all we gotta do now is come back and get the drawers and stuff out. That'll pretty much be it. All right, so y'all can see we took all the doors down. Got that door down, closet door down. I'm gonna come back and tear this stuff up off the floor. Got the vanity, got the bathroom. We're gonna leave that tub because I'm cleaning it up because there's like a cast iron tub, heavy tub. So we're gonna get all that out. This room, got everything except for the furniture. This room, cleaned it up some more. We just got that left. Took all these wires down that y'all saw hanging in here. Got most of all the nails at the wall. We're gonna tear this floor up. And there's a low spot in one of these rooms. I'm gonna have to put some leveling compound in it because he wanna go back with the laminate floors. So I'm gonna do that for him. And we haven't started in the kitchen really. We just got this door tore down. Got that door tore down. Y'all see the sheetrock already here. So we're gonna have to put windows, new doors, pretty much everything. Then we're gonna start in the kitchen when we come back. So it's pretty much cleaned out for the most part, as y'all can see. Take that blind down. This is gonna be the dining room area over here. He wants to put the hot water heater over there on that wall beside the washer and dryer hook up, but only thing, I don't see a plug for the dryer. That's gonna have to be added. I just paid attention to that. So yeah, that's gonna have to be added. But I'm gonna come in, spray the ceiling. I'm gonna get some primer, spray the whole house, and then I'm gonna start going over sheetrock when we get to that point. So y'all stay tuned. And if you haven't already, go subscribe to Blackburns Renovation. You'll see a lot of content, tips, and tricks. And y'all have a good day.